Hey, what's up guys? This is Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Monday, June 25th, 2018. All right, today we are at my father-in-law's property. See, he's got some, well, beautiful piece of property, but he's got some ducks that kind of roaming around. He actually just took out, he's got a few pot-bellied pigs, mini pot-bellied pigs that he has running around too, and they just kind of have free range everywhere. So they like to enjoy this land, but it's super nice. Anyway, as you said, it's Monday, and we live in the South, and that means we eat red beans. So I had red beans in the crock pot this morning, cooking all day, and that's what we're going to be doing here this afternoon in a little while. But anyway, what I wanted to tell y'all is my father-in-law, if he sees anything that he wants or thinks about, he's just going to build it. And that's kind of what he did. He built an incubator for the eggs. So we brought about 30 eggs. He's got 10 of his eggs in there, and I just wanted to take you over there and see. And we got him in there for it's been about 2 weeks now, so we got about one more week. It's 21-day gestation, and so early next week we should have some chickens, and I'm gonna be using these for maybe just to increase the flock a little bit for egg layers, and I'll have a bunch of other ones that I want to, well, depending on how many we get, that I want to use for meat birds. So let me take you over there and show you what we got. All right, guys, so we're in the back barn he has here. Just a 40 by 80 barn. He's got a bunch of stuff in here, all his tools and equipment. But this is it. This is the incubator he built. Didn't really buy anything that I know of. He kind of just scrounges around in the trash, gets a bunch of stuff, got a bunch of parts, always scavenging. But he finds everything he needs and he keeps it, and then he builds stuff with it. So it's pretty cool. But anyway, you see here just a simple wooden frame, wooden box. He's got it surrounded with some wall insulation, that hard foam insulation. He's got a temperature gauge. Oh, something else. Anyway, he's got the a wooden frame in there that each individual eggs in there can sit in. And what he also has on the side here is gear. So what that's going to do, that's built onto the frame. And if you don't know, I didn't know really either, but chicken eggs need to be turned. I believe for most of the time, I think except for like the last 3 days or so. So this thing will turn the eggs a few times a day, just kind of tilts it back and forth and then puts it in a position to as natural as it can be. He also has on the side just there's a little water reservoir in there to keep the humidity up. He's got a temperature sensor as well in there with a couple of heat lamps. If it's getting too cold, it'll heat it up. So yeah, he is I had one of his old neighbors I used to work with, he used to call him the wizard, because in the old garage he has, you would just see sparks flying out of it. So just whatever he was building. But anyway, so I'm gonna come back to y'all in I guess next week here and see where we're at on the eggs. Hopefully we'll get a bunch hatched, and I think he usually gets about 50%. So we got 40 eggs in there. Hopefully we get about 20 chickens, and that'll be a good thing. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all following along. Talk to y'all later. Bye.